welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Kajiado County. To be specific, we are in Rongai, Merisho. Behind me is an estate of 8 units and each unit has a print area of 260 square meters. Each home has been built on a 50 by 100 lot and the price is 13.5 million. Each home is a 5-bedroom all-en-suite and each unit comes with a 2-car parking like this, a front yard, and on the rear side you have the kitchen garden and the clotheslines area. I'll take you inside. From the entrance, you are welcomed by this hallway that will take you to the kitchen, the guest bedroom, and on the upper level. On my right-hand side, you have the living room of this home. And as you can see, the space is massive for your family. The colors of the walls, the whiteness of the gypsum ceilings, and the brightness of the tiles gives a very good combination that makes this living room to feel airy and spacious. The living room is massive and it opens to the dining area. But before we see that space, I can't forget to mention about the heights of this ceiling. The ceilings are very low. But if you are not extremely tall, this would be sufficient. As I said, the main lodge opens to the dining area. And the dining area is a big space for your extended family. As you can see, the openness from the living area to the dining area and from the dining area to the kitchen creates a modern vibe that everyone is looking for. The dining area comes with a wash basin, a massive window, and on the opposite side, it opens to the kitchen. I like it that it comes with some extra cabinetry here for your cutlery. I'll take you to the kitchen. Wow, the kitchen is beautiful, very well made, and massive. On my left-hand side, you have the sink area and it is next to the window, and below it, you have an extra storage. This space has been reserved for your 6-burner cooktop, and above it, you have an extra space for your heat extractor. The kitchen comes with lower and upper cabinet, and I like it that it comes with grey granite countertops that blend very well with the brown tiling of the walls. One thing that I have noticed is that the brown tiling also matches very well with my tile. The kitchen comes with an island, and this is very important to many people who enjoy cooking. This space has been reserved for your refrigerator, and this door will take you to the clotheslines area and the kitchen garden. This is the laundry area, and as you can see, the space is big enough for your washer and dryer. Next to me, you have this space that has been reserved to be your clotheslines area. On the far end, you have your kitchen garden, and the kitchen garden is only big enough to plant 2 onions. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, these stairs will take you to the upper level. This is the common washroom, and I like it that it utilizes the space under the stairs. The guest bedroom is just next to it. The guest bedroom is a sufficient space for either 1 or 2 of your guests, and it comes with its closet on my far left and with its bathroom on my far right. The closet is of a standard size. It is floor to ceiling and it comes with 2 drawers down there. This other space is just similar to this. Let's see the bathroom. The bathroom comes with a wash basin and a water closet. You also have a tissue holder. On my far front, you have the showering area. From here, I'll take you upstairs. On this level, you have the other 4 bedrooms. On my left-hand side, you have the girls' bedroom. Next to it, you have the boys' bedroom. At the center here, you have the primary bedroom, and this is an extra bedroom. We will start with this one. The extra bedroom is 100% similar to the guest bedroom that we just saw. The closet has adopted a similar concept, and the bathroom is slightly bigger with a wash basin at the center, a water closet on that side, and on this side you have the showering area. Let's check the girls' bedroom. At the entrance of the girls' bathroom, you have a wash basin. Most of the times, the developers put these wash basins inside, but this specific developer decided to put it outside. The girls' washroom is slightly smaller than the other washrooms that we saw in the other bedrooms. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the two bedrooms that we already saw, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet with some sections here for the shoes. I like it that the gypsum ceilings have been done very well, and this bedroom faces the rear side of the mansion. I'll show you the boys' bedroom. At the entrance of the boys' bedroom, you have the boys' bathroom. This bathroom is way bigger than all the other bathrooms that we have seen in this mansion. And it comes with a wash basin here at the entrance, and also it's fully installed with all the other fixtures that you may require. This bedroom is also slightly bigger than the girls' bedroom, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet and a slightly smaller window. I like it that the style of the gypsum ceiling has also been deprecated here. The closet is just similar to the other ones that I showed you in the other bedrooms. Let's see the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest closet for the king and the queen of this home. At the center, you have a dresser, and the far edge, you have spaces for the shoes, and this space can be reserved for your partner, while this space can be reserved for you. The primary bedroom comes with 3 windows that are spread on these 2 sides, and on my far right, you have the primary bathroom. That door will take you to the balcony. The primary bedroom comes with a washroom area, an instant shower, and a space for your bathtub on this side. Let's see the balcony. As the primary bedroom is the only bedroom that comes with a balcony, from it you'll get the best views and the best sunset. We have come to the end of the tour, and this estate has only 2 units left. If you would like to purchase any of them, kindly contact us in the number attached below. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.